Today I want to share with you guys a completed flip through of my 2019-2020 Erin Condren Life Planner. So this is the colorful hourly, and one of the things I love about having a planner on a coil versus like a ring bound system or a traveler's notebook is that your whole year is already stored for you on a coil, and you can just put them on a shelf and reference them when needed. So I'll just jump in. What you're gonna see is that most of my pages, actually all of my pages, use stickers or sticker kits from Planner Kate. So this was my year at a glance overview, and I used the transparent circles from Planner Kate, and this is the school year. And I used to take the time to make a key, but I know what each color means. Like black is no school, so I don't even need a key anymore. This page I did not utilize. I actually, for next year's planner, I already filled this page out, and what I did was, instead of making a notes page as I did here for my yearly cleaning tasks, I put those here instead, which worked out really well. And then I did start out using some of the Planner Kate monthly dashboard kits here. You can see I didn't really follow through as well as I would have liked to. And then this is my month view. And then we go right into the weeks. So it looks like, did I use a kit this week? Nope, I used the Erin Condren washi. It seems like the first week in my new planner, I always want to try to use more Erin Condren items, and then kind of as the year goes on, I forget about my Erin Condren stickers and kind of just grab my Planner Kate stickers, but I do like the way that it looks. See, this is the third week and I'm already using a kit from Planner Kate. And one of the hardest things I thought about this planner was you have this colorful hexagon that you had to cover each week if it didn't really match your color scheme. So I'm happy to see that in the new planners that's gone. School supply list for August. August monthly. Then you can see, I'm keeping it real with you guys. This was the week before school started, which was crazy. You can see I didn't really take the time to plan like I should have. Then I jumped right back in. This is one of my favorite weeks. I don't know why. I think it's the small time blocking with the washi. I really liked how that looked. September, I didn't even use the dashboard, and I probably had more going on than this and didn't take the time to put it in my monthly. Another slow week. And we're kind of into fall, and fall stickers are my very favorite, like this washi. Oh, I could use that all year long. And then I started using these arrows from Planner Kate for time blocking. And I think this might have been the same kit that I used 2 weeks in a row. Love a good fall plaid. These little apples are one of my favorite stickers from Planner Kate. I don't see a lot of people utilizing them, but I use them for school stuff. I think they're super cute. And then this was Planner Kate Sampler Week. And some more fall kits. And I used, maybe this was the same kit. So for me, I can, if I want to, I can easily get 2 or 3 weeks out of a Planner Kate kit if I get all of the sheets, A, B, C, D, and a bunch of the add-ons. And Halloween week. I know I'm going kind of fast. If you guys have any questions about the stickers, they're all from Planner Kate or Erin Condren, and pretty much kits and her functional stickers. I like to mix and match. So like this would be a kit sticker, this was a kit sticker, but then this house would not be on the kit. These are not on the kit, and I just add them in because they match. So I put down my dashboard kit and then didn't fill it out, but I did do well. December was crazy. Look at all the stuff I have. This was a pretty week too. I like the metallics, the gold and the silver, and I don't mind mixing those at all. I know some people want it to be one or the other. And then this was a Cocoa Daisy week, so I used Cocoa Daisy washi and stickers and Erin Condren stickers, and then mixed in some of the planner cake stickers. I loved this truck washi. I thought that was super cute. And then I really got back to using my notes page. I usually break those up into sections for things I need to do. And I started doing this monthly tasks page. This was previously in my traveler's notebook setup, and I put it in here because this planner stays at home, so it made more sense for these to be in this planner. And you'll probably notice I use a ton of these full box ombre stickers. They're probably my very favorite sticker from Planner Kate. That and just the event labels. I could do spreads with just those two stickers if I needed to. I left the hexagon uncovered here because it went well with my week. And then this was Cocoa Daisy washi, and then the rest were Planner Kate stickers. Same thing here. I pulled just a washi from my stash that I liked and then mixed Planner Kate stickers that went with it instead of using a kit. And then this is Cocoa Daisy, like my sidebar, and this is Planner Kate, and looks like most of these stickers are Planner Kate. And then this, I need to do like one of these every couple months. This is the Planner Kate Rainbow week, so I use the same color each week, each day of the week. I really love how those turn out. They're always really pretty. Then we're into Valentine's Day week. Another notes page I didn't utilize, but I did do my month tasks and use my dashboard. And we're into March. Now things are gonna get crazy here. I think this is where we started shutting down for COVID. Yeah, and I'll show you that. So this was a Cocoa Daisy week. This is Cocoa Daisy. This is Cocoa Daisy. This is Cocoa Daisy. And then like these are Planner Kate. This is Cocoa Daisy, Cocoa Daisy. So this week was absolutely crazy. I remember being really overwhelmed. My son's birthday party, he turned 6 this year, was this Saturday. And we left school this day. Everything was fine. We had his party on Saturday. And then like Sunday we found out we weren't going back to school, and we never did go back to school, and I just kept waiting thinking that we would. So you can see I started planning because he was home, so I had to teach him at home basically, and I started marking that out. So a lot of people I saw didn't want to keep their plans in here because they didn't know what was going to happen with the shutdowns. I'm just the opposite. Like, there was stuff that might not have happened, like this family dinner. I don't think really happened, but we had planned on it, so I left it in there. So I like to look back and like, this obviously didn't happen because I put a canceled sticker, but I can still, that says 5th Sunday potluck at church. We did not do that. But I like to look back and see that it was canceled. So even if things are gonna change, I typically keep them in my planner and then either put a canceled sticker or something else. So you can see I still had lots of plans. And I was still working, so I had meetings those days, so I still needed to kind of map out what I was going to do. This was another rainbow week, so I used the rainbow washi from Cocoa Daisy and then did the rainbow with the Planner Kate stickers. This was a sampler week, so if you order Planner Kate stickers, you get like 6 freebies in each of your orders, and I used all samplers only on this spread. Another month view. And I still had lots of meetings and stuff, so they're in here. And this was an EC colorway week, so I pretty much used all of the May Erin Condren colorway stickers from Planner Kate, and I like doing that too. I might get back to doing that once a month. I don't know if I did in June or not. This was a Cocoa Daisy week. And I started writing down the next release of Planner Kate kits here, and that really kept me on track with what I was purchasing or what I needed. And I'm continuing that in my new planner. This was a bright, fun week. And then this was Black Lives Matter week. So the planner community basically used all black and white stickers, and I thought that turned out really well. And then we have a Father's Day kit. And so then this next section I didn't fill out because it would have been in my new planner. So I went ahead and had a Post-it note to mark, move over to my new planner, and some birthdays, but that's pretty much it, because then it's time for the new planners. These were some things that I just wanted to get done around the house. My zone cleaning reference, so I do 1 zone a week. These are the things that I need to get done each week. And then this is my yearly cleaning tasks. So that's it. And like I said, I really like having all Planner Kate stickers and an entire year in one planner. I think that's really cool to look back at. If you have any questions, let me know and I will get back to you guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.